Hey everyone! If you're planning your first cruise or just curious about private island destinations, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're covering everything you need to know about cruise ship private islands, what makes each unique, and the tips and tricks that will help you make the most of your time there. Let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is a cruise ship private island? These are exclusive islands or sections of islands owned or leased by major cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, Disney, Norwegian, and Carnival. They're specially designed to give you the ultimate beach day with a mix of relaxation, adventure, and amenities like food, drinks, water parks, and more, all accessible with your cruise ticket. Some of the most popular private islands include Perfect Day at Coco Cay Royal Caribbean's Island, featuring a thrilling water park, hot air balloon rides, and the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean. Castaway Cay Disney Cruise Line's magical island, complete with family beaches, a private adult area, and unique Disney-themed activities. Great Stirrup Cay Norwegian Cruise Line's island, where you can snorkel, kayak, or simply relax in a beach cabana. These islands are tailor-made to cater to your every need, making them the perfect destination for both adventure seekers and those looking to unwind. One of the best things about private islands is the sheer variety of activities you can enjoy. Some islands, like Coco Cay, feature massive water parks with towering slides, lazy rivers, and wave pools. The Thrill Water Park at Coco Cay even has the tallest water slide in North America, making it a must-try for thrill seekers. Many islands offer snorkeling excursions where you can explore vibrant coral reefs and swim with tropical fish. Bring your underwater camera because you never know what kind of marine life you'll encounter. For those looking for a little adrenaline, try out ziplining. Labadee, Royal Caribbean's private resort in Haiti, has a 2,600-foot-long zipline that soars over the water, providing incredible views and an unforgettable experience. Of course, there's nothing like just laying back relaxing on a beautiful beach. Most islands provide beach chairs, umbrellas, and even cabanas that you can rent for extra comfort. If you're celebrating a special occasion or just want a more exclusive experience, consider booking a private cabana. Some islands offer overwater cabanas with lounge chairs, hammocks, and butler service, perfect for a little luxury. Here are some essential tips to make sure you have the best day possible on your cruise line's private island. Book activities early. Some popular experiences like snorkeling tours or cabana rentals can fill up fast. Be sure to book these through your cruise's app or website as soon as you can. Pack essentials for a day at the beach. Bring sunscreen, a refillable water bottle, towels, and any beach gear you love. Most islands have shops where you can buy forgotten items, but they tend to be pricey. Use the ship for meals and amenities. Many cruise lines offer food on the island, but you're also welcome to hop back on the ship anytime for meals or a quick cool down. It's convenient and lets you make the most of your inclusive dining options. Plan for heat and sun. Caribbean islands are warm year-round, so plan for hot, sunny weather. Bring a hat, stay hydrated, and take breaks in the shade or in one of the air-conditioned areas if you need to cool off. Take advantage of the last few hours. Most people head back to the ship a couple of hours before departure, so if you want a quieter beach or less crowded activities, stay until closer to the end of the day. Each private island has its own vibe and features, so let's find the best fit for your travel style. Royal Caribbean's Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Ideal for adrenaline junkies and families with kids, Coco Cay is packed with activities and the Thrill Water Park. If you want an action-packed day, this is the island for you. Disney's Castaway Cay. If you're traveling with family and love Disney magic, Castaway Cay will be perfect. From snorkeling with Mickey to kids' clubs on the beach, Disney fans will feel right at home. Norwegian's Great Stirrup Cay. For those looking for a more laid-back, beach-focused day, Great Stirrup Cay is the perfect place. You'll find beautiful beaches, and the vibe here is all about unwinding and taking it slow. MSC's Ocean Cay eco-conscious travelers will appreciate Ocean Cay, MSC's marine reserve. With a focus on sustainability, Ocean Cay offers natural, unspoiled beaches, ideal for those who want to enjoy nature and marine conservation activities. The good news? Private islands in the Caribbean enjoy warm weather year-round, but here are a few things to consider. High season, December to April. This is the busiest time, especially over holidays and spring break. You'll have ideal weather, but be prepared for higher prices and more people. Shoulder seasons, May to June, September to November. These are great times to visit if you're looking for fewer crowds and lower prices. Be aware that September through November is hurricane season, though cruises are often rerouted to avoid storms. Regardless of when you go, make sure to check your cruise itinerary for special events on the island, like beach parties, live music, or seasonal experiences that can add a unique touch to your visit. Wondering about food and drink options? Each island offers a selection of dining spots with buffet-style options, barbecue grills, and snack shacks included with your cruise package. Most islands have beachside bars serving tropical cocktails and local brews. Many of these drinks are covered under your cruise's beverage package, so you can sip in style. Some islands offer private dining experiences or beachside seafood grills for an additional cost. If you're celebrating a special occasion, this can be a memorable upgrade. A cruise to a private island is like having a day in paradise, with everything you could want just a few steps away. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or family fun, these islands are designed to give you the perfect beach day. Thanks for joining me on this guide to cruise ship private islands. I hope you found some tips to help you plan an unforgettable day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow cruisers. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the beach.